One of the great new features we just announced in our ATC toy haulers is movable furniture, configurable furniture, so that you can actually take it, move it from any part of the trailer to the other part of the trailer, or who knows, maybe you're going out on a weekend Jeep safaring and you want to take something out of the trailer for the weekend. That all works just fine. All you need for that is basically a 9/16 socket set and a friend, and you can go ahead and move anything that you want in here. One of the issues that we really tried to focus in on that was how we're going to work with this dinette table. Typically the dinette table would fold up and it runs into a cabinet. So we posed this to engineering, and what we ended up doing is creating a pivoting table. So you basically have to pull out the two pegs on each side, and then the table will actually pivot down, and then you can go ahead and put the leg in here, and then you can actually push it down, and then it pins right into place here. Now, one thing that's really important too is when you are traveling, you always want to travel with your furniture, your dinette table, all of that stored in the up position up against the wall. Another important thing to keep in mind too is we do offer this dinette table either with the rollover benches that you'll see here that convert into a sleeper, or we offer it with the removable 4 chairs. When this folds up, when you have the removable benches like we hear, it does fold up and take up pretty much the full width of the wheel box. So on some models where you're wanting to utilize the drive over wheel boxes, the 4 chairs might be a better option for you. We've had rave reviews on this. Like I said, it's all interchangeable, moving anything you want inside of the trailer. Even the dinette can be moved anywhere. We also incorporated some cup holders and different things in there as well. I'm sure you'll find it very easy to use.